Okay, Emma, you can do this.
Hi there, you must be Emma.
Hi. Yes, actually. It's my first day here. I'm Emma.
Herzlich mein Chassi. Welcome, I'm Laura. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm looking for the HR office. I have an appointment with Martha at 9:30.
Oh, Martha. She's the head of HR. Her office is on the second floor, first door on the left.
Huh? Great. I need to get my ID badge and sign some paperwork.
Yay? You'd better hurry. Martha is a stickler for time. Thanks for the tip. I'll go straight there. By the way, is there a place to get coffee?
Yes, the break room is right next to the big conference room. The coffee is free, and there are usually cookies too.
Fantastic. I'll definitely need some caffeine later. What about lunch?
We usually take a break from 1 to 2. A bunch of us go to a nice deli around the corner called The Green Bite. You should come with us.
That sounds lovely. I'd love to join.
Stop the consent. Great. Just one last thing. Where are the restrooms?
Just down the hall, to your right.
Painting starts. Thank you so much for your help, Laura.
No problem at all. Good luck with Martha. See you at lunch.
Thanks. See you later.
Good morning, Emma.
Thanks for being here early.
Good morning, David. I wanted to make sure everything is set up before the team arrives.
Good thinking. Are you ready for the quarterly review presentation?
Yes, I have the charts on food costs and sales ready to go.
Looking forward to seeing the nod. I'm looking forward to seeing the numbers.
I just need to connect my laptop to the big screen. Uh-oh. I think we have a problem.
This projector uses an HDMI cable, but my new laptop only has USB-C ports.
Ah, the classic connection issue.
Do you have your adapter?
I checked my bag, but I think I left my dongle at home. I apologize. That was careless of me.
Don't panic. It happens to everyone with these new laptops.
But the team needs to see the graphs. It's hard to explain without the visuals.
I have a solution. Can you email the presentation to me right now?
Yes, the file isn't too heavy. I'm sending it now.
My laptop is already connected to the system. I'll project it from mine.
That's a lifesaver. Thank you, David. Okay, sent.
Got it. Let me open it up, and there we go. It's on the screen.
Perfect.
Since I'm controlling the slides, just give me a nod or say next when you want to move on.
Will do. Thanks for stepping in so quickly.
We're a team, Emma. Now, take a deep breath. You're gonna do great.
Thanks. I'm ready.
Ugh, come on. Not right now. Not right before dinner service. Hey, Emma. Is everything okay?
You look frustrated.
Hi, Mark. It's this printer. I'm trying to print the special menus for tonight, but it just stopped.
Let me guess. Is the red light flashing?
Yes. The screen says paper jam in tray 2. I pressed cancel, but nothing is happening.
Ah, the classic paper jam. That tray is a bit temperamental.
I don't want to force it and break it. We need these menus in 20 minutes.
Don't worry. It's usually an easy fix. Let me show you.
Please do. Technology hates me today.
First, you need to open this side panel here.
Okay, panel open.
Now look inside. Do you see the stuck paper?
Yes, I see it. It's crumpled up in the back.
Okay, this is the important part. Pull it out very slowly and evenly. Be careful not to rip the paper, or the pieces will get stuck inside forever.
Okay, pulling gently. Slowly. Got it. It came out in one piece.
Perfect job. It's making a whirring sound now. Is that normal?
Yes, it sounds like it is resetting. Look, the green light is back on.
And it's printing. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, thank goodness. Mark, you are a lifesaver.
Happy to help. We can't have guests ordering without a menu, right?
Exactly. Thanks for the tech support. I'd be lost without it.
Anytime. I'll let you finish up. Good luck with the service tonight.
Thanks, Mark.
Excuse me. You look like you know what you are doing with these displays.
Good morning. I've set up a few of these today.
Do you need a hand?
Do you need a hand?
Yes, please. This is my first food expo. I think I'm losing the battle with this banner stand.
No problem. They can be tricky. Let me take a look. Ah, I see. This support pole is upside down.
Oh, of course. That explains why it wouldn't fit.
Yeah.
There we go. Snap it in like this and done. Wow, that was fast. Thank you so much. I'm Emma, by the way.
Happy to help. I'm Leo. Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too. What company are you with?
I'm with Culinary Press. We publish cookbooks and food guides.
Oh, that's fantastic. I love collecting cookbooks.
And who are you with?
I'm with the Rustic Spoon. It's the Italian restaurant downtown. I'm the head chef there.
A chef? Wonderful. So we are neighbors for the day. My booth is right next door.
It's always good to know your neighbors, especially helpful ones. Do you have any tastings today?
Yes, I will be serving mini pasta dishes later.
Listen, I'm gonna grab a coffee to wake up. Can I buy you one as a thank you?
That would be lovely. An espresso would be great. Coming right up.